The Snugpak Stratosphere Bivvi Tent is a solo shelter that feels more like a tiny tent than a basic bivvy, giving you full weather protection without a claustrophobic coffin vibe. Its waterproof and windproof fabrics, combined with fully sealed seams and sturdy aluminum poles, make it dependable in sustained rain and rough conditions on exposed ground. Despite that robust construction, it remains impressively light and compact, packing down small enough for minimalist backpacking or bikepacking without dominating your pack space. The interior length and shaped canopy provide enough room to lie out comfortably with some space around your head for gear, making it more livable than many traditional bivy sacks. Ventilation is thoughtfully handled with mesh panels and an integrated insect screen at the head, which help limit condensation while still keeping midges and mosquitoes out. An included repair kit and generally tough materials give confidence for extended trips where you may need to patch poles or fabric in the field.